In this video, I am going to show you how to maximize the benefits of your YouTube TV free trial. The free trial gives you full access to YouTube TV's features, so it's important to make the most of it. Start by exploring the channel lineup and familiarizing yourself with the live TV options, including sports, news, and entertainment channels. Use the Cloud DVR feature to record shows or events you want to watch later. Even during the trial, recordings are saved for up to 9 months. Take advantage of the unlimited skips and commercials on recorded content to save time. If you're into sports or live events, check the schedule to catch games or matches during the trial period. You can also test out additional features like the ability to create multiple user profiles or stream on different devices simultaneously. If there's premium content or add-ons like HBO Max or Showtime available, explore those as well to see if they're worth it. Finally, set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you maximize your YouTube TV free trial benefits, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.